Hello my dear friends. In today's video we are going to learn English lesson number 2, who is the greatest. So in today's video what we are going to learn, we are going to learn English lesson number 2, who is the greatest. Lesson explanation part 1. I have divided the lesson into 2 parts. So in today's video we are going to see the part 1. This lesson actually have 2 stories. So here we will see the first story. Okay. Who touched Emperor's mustache? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Not just because he had a vast empire, a very strong army, untold wealth, but because he was a good human being. So Emperor Akbar, you all must be knowing Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great. Okay, he is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Why he is known as that? Because not just because he had a vast empire. What is meant by vast empire? Vast empire means a large empire, a very strong army, untold wealth. Untold wealth means uncountable wealth. But because he was a good human being, he is known as one of the greatest ruler in the world because he was a good human being. He cared for all of his subjects. He had a great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists. Okay. He respected scholars, writers. Writers means who writes stories or novels, books, etc. Poets means the one who writes poems. And artists belonging to different religions. He respected all the religions, and he also had a great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists. He was a patron of art and culture. Akbar loved art and culture, and he was also a patron of art and culture. The 9 gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. You must be heard of 9 gems or Navratnas. They were the famous of his court. Many people believe that of these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to Emperor's heart. Many people believe that of all these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to Emperor's heart. Okay. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. What Akbar loved? Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court, and Birbal never failed, means never happened like Akbar posed a question and Birbal don't know the answer. Never happened like that. Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. Birbal was intelligent and clever. That's why Akbar liked him a lot. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. They have been handed down over generations, mainly by word of mouth. Here are 2 of them. So we don't know that all these whether Akbar and Birbal stories that hear today have any basis in history. They have been handed down over generations, mainly by word. Means these stories have been told by generation to generation, mainly by word of mouth. So here are 2 of them. I told you that there are 2 stories, but in today's video we are going to see one of them. One day, Emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? One day, Emperor means Akbar entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. Before he was going to sit, what he said, I have a question for all of you. Means Akbar wanted a suggestion. He said, what should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? Akbar wanted a suggestion from his courtiers that what should be the punishment for someone who pulls his mustache. The court was stunned. Pull the emperor's mustache? It was unheard of. The whole court was so surprised. How can anyone pull the emperor's mustache? Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of whip, exclaimed one nobleman. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. So what happened? Flog him, give him 50 lashes of whip, said one of the noblemen. Exclaimed means shouted angrily. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Whip him, beat him, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Everyone, some courtiers, what were they were saying? Whip him, beat him, hang him, cut off his offending hands. They all began to cry out, means all began to shout. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. What happened? Birbal was sitting silently and he was also smiling a little. Then Akbar asked him. He saw Birbal and he asked, what do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? So what Birbal said, in my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, means Akbar, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Offender means the one who had touched the emperor's mustache should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense? The courtiers began to say. So what happened? The courtiers got angry and they said to Birbal, Birbal, are you out of your mind? Means, are you crazy? How can an offender given his favorite sweetmeats for such a grave, means such a serious offense? Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. So Birbal offered an explanation, and what he said? He said, who will be so bold, who will be so brave to pull the emperor's mustache? His only grandson. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing, because that is what exactly happened in the morning. When Akbar heard Birbal's explanation, he burst out laughing, because that is exactly what happened in the morning. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also check the description box, and one important, click on the bell icon so you will get all the new videos and fresh updates I upload on my channel. Thank you.